let's see here. Ah, yes. Ah, it's still good. I suppose that's good enough then. By Jove, I've finally done it. I've created the world's strongest bandana. I shall shred the gnar so heavily in this bandana that nobody shall ever shred harder. Yes. Ah, yes, this sure is a mighty fine bandana. Oh, well, I suppose I can get off to that next project I had planned. Robot, please begin filming the perfect poached egg tutorial.
Filming process engaged.
So when we are poaching the perfect egg, first we must start with a lovely round pot, and that is so we can create the perfect cyclone, which is extremely important in creating the perfect poached egg. Additionally, you can take exactly 1.5 tablespoons of vinegar to begin curing the egg before it is fully cooked, therefore solidifying its form. And directly after you've added the vinegar, oh god blast, I wonder who that could be. Robot, stop the filming!
Ending filming.
Jeez, we already knocked, but...
Oh, well, if it isn't my old nephew.
Uncle Jacob!
Oh, goodness
Uncle
gracious
Jacob!
me.
Good to see you.
So good to see you there, young Jake. Oh, so good to see you, old boy.
Oh,
Sit
you
down
too.
and have a brewski.
Thank you, Uncle.
Ah, yes.
Well, how are you?
Oh, I've been fantastic, just hard at work, as you know.
Yes,
And
yes.
I've just been developing the gnarliest headband
Is
this
that
world
so?
has ever seen.
Really?
This will allow you to shred the gnar.
Shred the gnar?
Shred the gnar harder than ever before.
What a coincidence, Uncle. We're about to go shred the gnar ourselves.
Oh, yes. Is
Yes.
that true?
Yes.
No, well, surely you cannot wield such power.
What?
Yes, no, this is
You don't
only
think
made
so?
for the gnarliest of shredders.
I think we're the gnarliest of shredders.
Oh, no. Surely you'd be overcome by its power and destroyed. No, I couldn't allow that.
Come on, please.
You know, the only way I would allow you to take this headband is if you promise to use its power for good and only shred the gnar when the time is right.
That's all I want.
All right. I will entrust this headband to you. But son, you must use this power wisely. Because as you know, with great power becomes great responsibility.
Of course.
Now lower your head, young one.
Yes. Oh, I can feel the power.
How does it feel?
It feels powerful, like I could shred the gnar like never before.
Now drink, young one.
All right.
Awesome. Thanks, Uncle Jacob.
Yeah, thanks so much for the headband. We'll put it to good use. Don't worry.
We'll be using this up on the mountain.
No problem, old boys. Good luck out there.
Can't believe we got the headband.
I know, right? It's amazing.
Hey, you kids. It's about time you boys handed over that damn bandana.
What do you mean, bandana?
Who are you?
Good Jacob fucked up. I'm evil Jacob. He spawned me out the multiverse when he's done. Used that thing, gnarly ass bandana. And it's time you hand it over to me. So I'm gonna shred the gnar.
Who are you?
I'm evil Jacob.
You're-
I just damn told you.
Your name is Evil Jacob?
I'm evil Jacob and I jumped out the multiverse when that damn bandana shot into existence. You give it to me now, or all balance will be lost.
Is that a spoon?
I will fuck you up with the spoon. Unless you give me that damn bandana.
He's wearing ski boots. Let's get out of here.
Get out of here.
You damn bug, get back up. Get back here now.
Here we are. We're on the run from Evil Jacob. We think that he's found us up on the mountains. We've made it to the back bowl. Hopefully we're safe. Holy shit, that's Evil Jacob. We gotta split up. I got the headband, you go that way.
Let's go. Go that way though. There you are! Give me that blasted headband! Never! Ah! What am I to do? How shall I catch him? Oh, I've got these skis! How's that headband?
think I lost him in the glades.
At last I've lost him! And the next step in the process is... Oh, robot, stop filming. I wonder who this could be. Let's see who's come to bother me now.
Get it, close the door, close the door. There's an evil
Oh.
person. He was chasing us all around the mountains.
He barely made it out of the glades alive.
Oh, yes, no worries, lad. I know about the old evil Jacob. Have I ever showed you how to poach the perfect egg?
Now does it
Come.
Alright, okay.
Yes. Now you must start with a cylindrical pot. You give it a nice swirl to just create a little vortex within the pot. And once we have a lovely cyclone going, we're just going to go ahead and give our head a little cracky crack. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Oh, amazing. Now you can see the egg will begin to fold in on itself within the cyclone. And we have a lovely poached egg, ready for your consumption. Master Little Eddie, I have failed you. I have allowed the heathens to escape with the radical headband.
You imbecile! How could you let them get away? Ah, a spoon? Are you serious? That's a joke! Really, you don't have access to a steak knife or a kitchen? Hey! Useless! You're worthless and weak! You will never shred the gnaw, gnarliest gnaw that has ever been shredded by man!